bagger world has made some amazing progress as of late, and each OEM is competing for that best spot. In the wake of riding the 2018 Yamaha Star Venture, plainly this is an extraordinary cruiser that will leave buyers scratching their heads. Previously they dropped coin on a bike most every other person as of now has. Nonetheless, now that the Star Venture is out, and as of now sitting on showroom floors, Yamaha's currently entrusted with persuading the market that burning through $27,000 on its amazing visiting machine is the approach. Following a 3-day trek through Idaho and Montana, I was unquestionably inspired at how well the Star Venture treated myself, as well as more imperatively, my missus. Indeed, Yamaha welcomed my significant other to participate in the A Good Time for this dispatch in light of the fact that the organization comprehends that a great deal of visiting folks jump at the chance to trek to us. What's more, they unquestionably didn't extra any cost with keeping the spouse's content with the new Star Venture. They extremely focused on all the crates we need checked when purchasing a bicycle. Purchasers need to know, is it agreeable? Is it fun? Is it extensive? Does it have enough power? Shouldn't something be said about Breeze administration? The last Yamaha visiting bicycle I rode was a V-Star 1300 Deluxe a couple of years back. That bicycle didn't generally do much for me. It was fine, however I didn't leave with any kind of great impression following 2 or 3 days. With Yamaha's new Star Venture, I am prepared to take the container-less trip across the nation. Yamaha's objective with the new Star Venture was to mix the enthusiastic V-twin extravagance advertised with the game visiting and experience visiting markets. Subsequently, the introduction of its snappy slogan, cross-country touring. They completed an awesome activity ensuring that TAG satisfied its visiting ability. The Venture truly was worked for the whole deal.